Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, April 9th, 2020. It did rain, of course, but it's a beautiful day. So, good time to get out there and be active if you are allowed. Otherwise, I would say morning message and message until we come back and get back together on Tuesday would be to share. Now, what I mean when I say share is you're sharing a story with someone. You're sharing your time with someone you're allowed to be around. You're sharing an activity like a game or an idea. Maybe you are having a little meeting with or Skype with family or friends for the holiday coming up this weekend. So share your time, share your ideas, and share your friendship and your love with family and friends. Okay. Today, treating it like a Friday. Don't do the next lesson in the book. Use today's time to do a round of Prodigy, Zern, and extra math. And you never have to just stop at one round. If you feel like, hey, I want to beat this extra math, make it to division, by all means, go ahead and do that. Do a couple rounds so you can get to the division. And it will let me know. I will get a message in my email that says you successfully completed multiplication. It'll send me a certificate for you, and I can print that out and get that to you at some point. Okay, I do want to share something that I got for Easter years ago. I believe I was 7, so that would have been 1986-ish, and they were a stack of football, and this is a shape in math. It's a special kind of triangle. This is the shape of our state flag for Ohio, the only state flag that is in this shape, actually. Anybody remember it? We talked about it briefly. Not briefly, we did talk about this a lot when we did geometry. It starts with a P. First syllable is pen. Pennant, that's correct. This is a pennant. These are football pennants, mini. This is the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. They had this old symbol. Sometimes they use it in their throwback uniforms. It was an actual Buccaneer on their helmet. So you could probably tell how old they are. And one other cool one I wanted to show you was this one. Now look at the city it says. Where are the Cardinals from? St. Louis. Are they in St. Louis now for all you football heads out there? No, that's right. They play out of Arizona. So when I got these, the Cardinals were housed in St. Louis. And now they are, the team moved to Arizona now. They've been there for a while. Okay. So that's one little cool artifact I got in an Easter basket one year, years ago, 1986. Yes, that is forever ago for you guys. But happy Easter to those of you who celebrate Easter. If not, enjoy the weekend. You have off tomorrow and Monday, so we will reconvene on Tuesday. Okay, have a good weekend, and we'll see you later. Bye.